How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, open roblox.com on a browser, or you can also open the Roblox app itself. Once you have done that, make sure you have logged into your account. Now, if you want to join someone without being friends, the first thing you want to do is search for that account. Once you have found the account, click on it to open the full profile. Now, normally when you are friends with someone, you will be able to join them. So you can click on the add friend button if you want to add them as friends. But if you want to join that person without being friends, then click on the three dots and then click on follow. Once the account accepts the follow request, you will be able to join them without being friends. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.